Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Story Collection YouTube channel presents Morning News. Good morning. The headlines. Iran vows to safeguard its nuclear capabilities. Revenue deficit states may face fiscal stress, says center. Systematic failures made tribal men take sisters' skeletal remain to bank probe. 3 children drowned in golf course on a DDA site in Dwarka. Probe ordered. Kolkata IC hears pleas on EC move to deploy central staff for counting. Kerala staff sacred groves restoration. Haryana CM invite Punjab industrialists to set up Unite. CM declare Mizoram insurgency free as last rebel group surrender. MLC election on last day of filling of nomination. Congress comes around, backs Danway. BJ holds meeting with TVK candidates ahead of poll result. Union Minister stalling CBI probe into ex-indelt Haryana chief murder Ali's family. Only Reebok laughs ordinance on Muslim quota, government tell IC. Bihar trapped in a vicious cycle of unchecked bureaucracy and rampant corruption. Tejaswi. Maharashtra this year wrought Borwell race Nexat hit hamlets. Siddharmai orders suspension of engineer after bowling tragedy. Karnataka to redeploy gas faculty without UGC qualification. Kharge reject talks of Karnataka power sieve. Rats of factories of RSMP at ECOP political vendor Punjab BJP. The news in detail. Iranian Supreme Leader Mustafa Khamenei said on Thursday that the country would safeguard its nuclear and missile capabilities and lay down new rules for managing the Strait of Hormuz. Hours of the US President Donald Trump said the blockade of Iranian port will remain until the nuclear deal is reached. A new chapter for the Persian Gulf and Strait of Hormuz is taking shape, he said in a statement marking Persian Gulf Day. The Islamic Republic will secure the Persian Gulf regions and dismantle the enemy's exploitative schemes in the waterway. The legal frameworks and implementation of new management for Strait will bring peace and progress to the benefits of all the region's nations, he said. The war on Iran launched by the US and Israel has turned into a maritime battle of will after Mr. Trump announced a ceasefire on April 8, while the ceasefire is still holding Iranian hold of the Strait, the mouth of oil-rich Persian Gulf, remain intact. The US has imposed a blockade on the Iranian-linked vessel in the Gulf of Oman to exert economic pressure on Tehran. A preliminary inquiry by the Odisha government has indicated systematic failures behind a desperate act of tribal man who carried his sister's skeleton remains to a bank in order to prove her death. Asked by the bank to submit proof of sister's death to withdraw money from her account, Jitu Munda of Dayanali village in the Kionza district exhumed the body of Kerala Munda, who died 2 months ago and carried the skeleton remains to the bank on Monday. He wanted to withdraw 19,300 rupees that was in her account. A day after the unsettling visuals posted online sparked outrage across the country, the bank handed over the amount to Mr. Munda on Tuesday. BJP President Navin Patnaik referred to the incident in the State Assembly on Thursday during a special session on participation of women in Indian democracy. He claimed that officials repeatedly demanded proof of death, reflecting complete apathy and zero accountability. 3 children, including 2 brothers, drowned in a pond in the under-construction Delhi Development Authority DDA golf course in Dwarka Sector 24, the police said on Thursday. The deceased were identified as Ravi Jaiswal, Veer Jaiswal and Harsh Ravi and Veer has been missing since Wednesday afternoon. A guard alerted the police after he saw three bodies floating in the pond on Thursday. A 45-year-old domestic worker accused stealing gold jewelry and sets from her employee house was arrested after police raid on northwest Delhi Shalimar Bagh. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi MCD on Thursday demolished portion of a house linked to one of the accused in death of 26-year-old Tarun Bhutolia, who was killed in a clash between his family and neighbors amid Holi celebration in the Uttam Nagarji colony. The Delhi government on Thursday assured the High Court that government schools then will receive their textbook for the current academic session before the beginning of summer break. The statement was made before Justice Sachin Datta, who was hearing plea seeking contempt action against the Secretary of Education for deliberate disobedience of 2024 order on providing educational material to students in a timely manner. The Kerala State Biodiversity Board (KSBB) has initiated a pilot restoration program for sacred groves in the collaboration with the local Biodiversity Management Committee. 5 sacred groves had been selected from the Isikeralam in Irnakulam, Patanseri in Palakkad, Vailafali in the Kozhikode, Iriti in Kannur, Udumu and Kasagor for the initial phase of the project. Haryana Chief Minister Nayan Singh signed on Thursday invited industrialists from Punjab to set up Unite in Haryana as a state government work on a new industrial policy amid boosting investment and employment. The outreach came ahead of 2027 Punjab Assembly election. The CM extended what he described as open invitation during the meeting with the delegation of industrialists from Punjab, where he discussed issues related to industry, investment and employment. The Haryana government is committed to providing a conducive environment for the industry. Haryana has made remarkable improvement in the case of doing business, Mr. Sani said. The Kolkata High Court on Thursday concluded the hearing of petition challenging the Election Commission (EC) directive the deputy employee for union government and central public sector undertaking for the counting votes in the West Bengal Assembly election. Polling for 294 member assembly was held in 2 phases on April 23rd and 29. Counting will take place on May. The Congress on Thursday agreed to support Shiv Sena UBT nominee Ambadas Darve for the Maharashtra Legislative Council election after a day of marathon meeting in Mumbai and a phone call between the top leaders of opposition Maha Vikas Aghadi MVA alliance. The decision was announced by Maharashtra Congress President Harshvardhan Sapkal at a joint press conference on MVA village, and MVA delegations thereafter accompanied Mr. Dhanbe for filling of his nomination. Senior Congress leader Ashok Gehlot on Thursday accused the BJP government of crippling the healthcare system in the state, saying that once world-class health model has been put up into the ventilator. In a statement, the former Chief Minister said it is a sample that admit severe heat patients are being forced to bring table fans from the home, and that treatment under Rajasthan government health scheme had been affected due to the petition due to dues of around rupees 2,200 crore. The Maharashtra government has informed the Mumbai High Court that the government resolution GR issued in February this year did not scrap the 5% reservation for Muslims but also revoked a July 2024 ordinance granting the quota that had lapsed in December 2014. Bihar leader of opposition Tejswar Yadav on Thursday criticized the BJP state government, alleging that no work is being done under the National Democratic Alliance NDA administration, taking Potsofs or the NDA, Mr. Yadav said that within 6 months of Bihar Assembly election, the state has already witnessed 2 chief ministers. For the residents of the Binagundaya, a remote tribal hamlet nestled in the Gachirgori in the Chhattisgarh border, this Maharashtra Day May 1 brings a sense of relief in the Naxal-affected district. Daily life is beginning to change. Indian Muslim League IUML Kerala President said Sadiq Ali Sahib Thangal has backed VD Satishan as a possible chief minister candidate if the Congress-led United Front UTF voted to power to the state. The Karnataka government has decided to temporarily appoint guest lecturers who have been serving for a long time in the government college but do not possess University Grant Commission UGC prescribed qualification NET/PhD as academy as coordination. They will be appointed in the government first grade college, engineering college and the polytechnics with aim of safeguarding their entrance. The Deputy Secretary of Higher Education issued order in this regard on Thursday.